The most amazing flu bomb recipe. As the seasons change and temperatures drop, the looming threat of cold and flu season becomes all too real. The sniffles, the sore throats, the endless coughing. No one enjoys being under the weather. However, nature has gifted us with powerful remedies that can help fend off these seasonal afflictions and bolster our immune systems. One of these remedies is the flu bomb, a potent, natural concoction designed to knock out flu symptoms before they can take hold. Flu bomb recipe. What is a flu bomb? A flu bomb is essentially a highly concentrated mixture of natural ingredients known for their immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Unlike over-the-counter medications that may suppress symptoms without addressing the root cause, a flu bomb works to enhance our body's natural defenses, helping us fight off the flu virus before it gains a foothold. Key ingredients in the flu bomb recipe. 1. Garlic. Often hailed as a natural antibiotic, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antimicrobial properties. 2. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger helps soothe sore throats and reduce inflammation. 3. Honey. Packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties, honey can soothe the sore throat and suppress coughs. 4. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C, lemon plays a key role in immune function and has antiviral and antibacterial properties. 5. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which helps clear sinuses, reduce pain, and stimulate circulation. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, it helps alkalize the body. 7. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that boosts the immune system. The most amazing flu bomb recipe. Ingredients: 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, grated. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 lemon, juiced. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 cup of warm water. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Mince the garlic and grate the ginger and turmeric. 2. Mix the ingredients. Combine the minced garlic, grated ginger, honey, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar, and turmeric in a small bowl or jar. Stir well. 3. Add warm water. Slowly add the warm water, stirring continuously. 4. Let it steep. Allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes. 5. Drink it. Drink the flu bomb as a shot, or sip it slowly. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day as needed. Why this flu bomb recipe works. The effectiveness of this flu bomb recipe lies in the combination of its ingredients. Together, they create a powerful multi-pronged approach to fighting off the flu. Stay healthy and flu-free this season.